Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add links in your Canva. So this is going to be those clickable kind of links where you can simply tap in there and it will lead you to some other website or stuff like that. So yeah, let's dive right in. So here I have this blank document, so all I have to do is, so let's say so this is the link, right? So you right now, even though you click in this link, it will not be directed to anything, right? So you want this link to be clickable so that it will direct you to some other website. So in order to do that, all you have to do is double tap, and here you can see this option pop up. You can see here's the option of link. You can simply tap in that, and now here is where you have to enter the link of where you want it to be directed. So I've already copied one, so let's place it over here and let's hit done, and the link has been added. So now if you tap in here, it will be directed to the link. And yeah, hey there, and this is how you add a link, clickable link to Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.